Teachers, we're always looking for creative projects. And students love to share what they're learning. There's a lot of products where students can create with technology, but there's also a few factors that make it challenging. They can take a lot of time to complete. They can be difficult to use. It's a pain and even sometimes unsafe for students to access the programs. And the media created, well, it doesn't look too professional. Has this been your experience? If so, then Adobe Spark for Education might be the right program for you. Adobe Spark is a web-based platform which includes 3 individual programs. Spark Post for creating graphics and visuals, Spark Video to edit a movie, and Spark Page to design a website on a single topic. Each of these allows students to create different types of media quickly and easily, which means you won't have to spend a lot of time teaching them how to use it. There are beautiful templates, colors, and fonts which help students produce professional-looking products. Instead of searching for copyright images, Spark provides students with the opportunity to use copyright-free images for their work, a great way to reinforce digital citizenship and responsibility. And with an Adobe Spark for Education account, students can safely access their dashboard with just a few clicks. So, whether it's a social graphic, a video, or a website, empower your students to make their thinking visible with Adobe Spark for Education. Get started today. Visit spark.adobe.com/education.